So thank you for the continued support you have shown to us. Thank you for the 7,000 subscribers, and we are still growing.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Hello good people, and once again welcome to Shifting News, your great channel with amazing videos and great views across different places within Kenya, within Nairobi, and other places within our region. So thank you for the continued support you have shown to us. Thank you for the 7,000 subscribers, and we are still growing. And this one is just a random view. As you know, this one is the City Hall Highway. This building is the International House. And then we have the former Hilton Hotel, one of the earliest skyscrapers within Nairobi City. So currently we are not sure if it has got a new occupant, but for the ground floor, I think they have stalls and businesses are already in operation. And this is the Kencom area, a famous bus stop within the Nairobi CBD. So when you go this way, you'll be heading to Uhuru Highway and the Upper Hill area. So today, as we said, it is a random walk, and I would urge for our new visitors, make sure you join this family, subscribe, hit the notification bell, receive all notifications once we upload a new video. So we are going to do a random walk along the Aga Khan Walk and probably see what has changed. This is the month of this is the month of September. The year is 2024. We just need to see what has really transpired within this Aga Khan Walk. And we already have some stalls on this side. When you come over the weekend, you can buy a number of elements. We also have a booking office for one of the famous buses plying the route to the western areas. On the other side, that is the KCB Bank. And from afar, you can see that is KICC. Then we have the CBK Pension Towers. This one here is the Reinsurance Plaza. So you can see what is transpiring on this Aga Khan Walk. We have cabros well placed. So I don't know what is your view regarding the flowers or the plants within this section. That is the Uchumi House, and that is the Kencom KCB parking area within the Nairobi CBD along the Aga Khan Walk. So Uchumi House, you can also find have a bank. Then just some few meters after there we have the Nairobi Cinema.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
So you can see probably we have some dirt, meaning that probably cleaning hasn't been done over the weekend. Hoping they're planning to do so as time goes by. Remember we said this is the Reinsurance Plaza over here, and as we continue we'll be seeing the Reinsurance Plaza parking area, and this is the Nairobi Cinema. So for those who are visiting Nairobi, if you don't know where Nairobi Cinema is located, here it is. It's along the Aga Khan Walk, just a few meters from the Kencom area. So, or on the other side, you can use the other side maybe when you're coming from Moi Avenue. So this is the Reinsurance parking plaza. You can see some renovations are being done, and mostly during weekends you'll find it's being used as a skating ground, where you find skaters, those who want to train, trainers, those who are I don't know if they do sell the skating materials, but generally you'll find when it's the weekend, this place is used for skating. But during weekdays, this is purely a parking lot. It's huge. So maybe, I don't know if the owner just designated, or is it a government property, just designated this for parking, or there is maybe a plan to improve this place, maybe build a skyscraper here. You don't know. You never, you know, sometimes in Nairobi you come, after one day things have changed, and you can see that is the clear view of KICC standing tall within the Nairobi CBD, and that is the Reinsurance Plaza. And over this side we have a Naivas supermarket. Then this other building is the electricity house, Kenya Power. So here the soil has been redone. Probably they need to place new flowers or new plants coming up very soon. I think there are some renovations being done nearly on either on a monthly basis or maybe regularly, because the other time all these places were full of these flowers. But right now you can see the soil has just been done recently, and they need to probably plant new ones. And you can see there is this tree was planted by Pioneer Insurance on Friday 7th June 2024 in collaboration with the Nairobi City County Government. I don't know if this one is permanent, and maybe it will become a large, huge tree. This is a public toilet for those who want to access the services of the public toilet. Not free, it is paid. I remember during the era of the former, who was once the governor of Nairobi, that is Mike Mbuvi Sonko, they came up with a plan to ensure that the public toilets are free. And along this route, that is the Harambee Avenue, we have several buildings, Treasury House, we have the CBK pension towers. If you continue like that, you'll find offices for the president and for the vice president of Kenya. And this is the Harambee Avenue, one famous road that serves the interests of Kenya, especially when it comes to the political front, or when it comes to issues to do with the treasury money, that is money allocation. You understand, right? So maybe you can just give us your comment, tell us what you think about the general view of Aga Khan Walk. Do you think it meets the standards? Do you think everything is going well as initially planned, or there has been negligence? Though when you consider this Aga Khan Walk, especially now on the pavements or the curb roads, you realize that the curb roads are still well intact, good areas, green, some places, but I don't know if, like now you see these areas, somehow depicts like there has been dryness, or either the grasses they planted are not that suitable for this area. So probably they need to find another species of grass or flowers to add within this area. And also we have the trees. This is an avocado tree. Yeah, it has started flowering. Maybe when now there are fruits, people can come enjoy the fruits. But I don't know if you decide to come enjoy the fruits, if it will be trespass. And that is the Cooperative Bank standing tall along the Aga Khan Walk. Then when you go to this area, over there we have the Memorial Park 98, for those who remember whatever that happened in 1998, the bomb blast area. That is where you can go visit. And you can see this area is, the tenure is good. They always make sure it is tended. See, the flowers have been trimmed well, and also the grass has been cut to ensure it grows and doesn't become bushy. Yeah, and that is essentially Aga Khan Walk. So we thank you for the big support, your comments. You can tell us what you think about this Aga Khan Walk, maybe what they need to do, if the improvement was worth it, and maybe other suggestions to make sure that it becomes the best or maintains good standards. So thank you for having watched this video up to this far. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.